Farewell, I say welfare. Don't worry, I say big up to all the kids in the house because the youth have to raise tomorrow's generation. We don't know, so we have to make sure so we give them all good guidance. We don't know all the good providence. Big up Mr. Spice, made the chicken so nice with the curry goat and rice. Easy sample thing. We don't know feel love in the thing. When you hold the microphone it's like you're a sting. He's up Mr. Bling Bling. Cadillac. Check out all my Cadillac. Oh my God. Request to all the big dog in the house. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. God if you owe me up with girl and they dance to me. Girl I think all them money and a shop to me. Girl I think tapping my shoulder, begging you gon' get you some. 1, 2, 3, yo. Oh my God, I see all the beautiful ladies in their shorts today. Oh my God. Short skirt, short dress, short.
Can you see me? Joshua, can you see me? No, I don't want to see Actually, you have to do a little like down because it's too high. You have to like knee or something. Cataraqui day, baby! Cataraqui day!
Delora, Indian original Cataraqui girls. Delora, Indian. Hey, you think you're less than a man?
My keys.
Yeah, man, nice. Open the van, that white van, and bring it come, I'll turn it down, so I have to put in the boat. Yeah, man. you know. My youth are mash up King TV, you know, man. You up them man, them team up them man, they not lose the game, I think, man. It's a team. What Chin say? Taking the shots off the roof, sniping it, sniping. Big up the wave. But you feel crazy. Hi Shanti and her friend. Wow, pretty
anyway, big up the kids though, I mean I'm something. And this is Shanti, and this is Shanti's friend. Basketball tournament, where's the Shanti? Yeah, where's Daddy? Playing ball? Is he gonna win? Let's say now win. That's all live where you're part of it.
Can you see me? Go like that.
Don't touch that.
I want to see her. I want to make her look at herself. I took up the whole camera. You can see yourself. Look. Go into the camera and you'll see yourself. See? You? Oh. Due to my head.
Okay.
Today is the National Kids Day. Cataraqui.
Yeah, we love that. We love that. We love that.
And we had lots of fun.
All right.
And Melser was playing the fishing game with everyone else.
All right. And I love you kids.
We're the best kids in the whole entire world.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
The mountain of the
You're the Block 13 kids. Yeah, I was here.
Hi. Today we're having so much fun. I want to get a tick for 100 years.
Don't touch. Just stay right here and you can see yourself in the video right there, okay? You know, go out there and look. When you see yourself in the video, you know you're on the video.
National Black Kids Day. Peace. Peace and quiet. Peace. Peace. It's a peace. You got to run. Peace. Peace, yo. Peace, everybody. And how you 8.5? There's no peace. There's peace and goodness and earth. There's no bad things in earth. And my food is the best. If we don't have sugar and brackets. I know these kids. Cataraqui second annual. Peace out, baby. Huh? My kids. Block 13 having the best day. You won. All my people must see me. They don't want to see you. They want to slide it. You guys.
Stop pushing me, man. Push me, man.
Oh, move. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're funny.
I don't see you.
I tape you. What tape you? Let's see if I get tape. This is Domino. Yeah, you're funny guy. Yeah, go to bed, go sleep.
Who goes to sleep? What's up?
What doing? Are your partner that doing? Are your partner that?
No, he's my partner.
Your partner bad?
He's my partner.
Don't touch camera.
Come on, the game, man.
I can't see myself. Now I can't see myself. Hi. You see me?
Yeah.
Today is the day. Today is the day where all of us come to celebrate the second, I think, annual Kids Festival at Cataraqui Crest. Thank you.
Black 13.
No, not anymore.
Black 13.
Black Black 13.
Right on.
Wait. No!
No one chat for it? Alright, there you go. You look like a star, man.
You not see nothing under this one.
You not look at the like, you taste it. You can see the taste.
You like what you...
So come look. For your body. Give me that.
Your son, they don't... Son, no, the most I can't spend it to my kids.
I never tell you to do nothing like that. That you want to do that. Move.
What you? Okay, go on.
Okay, Sting. You claim you're the top champion. So say something. Say something about annual day, Sting.
Yeah, well, it's all about love, you know. You know, so all who not deal with God, and I say love it. I feel.
Yeah.
And I say, love it, let us love one another. Without love, it is no God. Whether you preach the last year, God, Allah, whosoever you want to take it. So you know, straight love, black 30 is straight. Yeah, Cataraqui.
Yeah. Now forget about Malverts still though. I forgot that about Malverts too. Don't leave them out. Dallas! Where do you live? Yeah. Just so. Yeah. Just so. A ladies appreciation day, you know. And not just black 13, a ladies appreciation, because we appreciate to me, you know. Because if it wasn't for women, we wouldn't there. Big man giggles. Where dealing?
From Domino, where I keep a trophy.
Yeah? You don't know you're a big man enough, so and dingy. Now forget you, you know. Now watch nothing, you know. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Marvelous, you did it? Where's my friend there? When we are 8 and 9 and 10 years old.
You know?
Yeah, man. Look from when we are hang out. Tell them, my friend.
Since what?
Tell them about Black 13, man.
Since we're about 5 or 4 years old.
Yeah, man. Just so.
Long time that, you know?
Yeah, man.
That's summer.
Why may I see a dark door, not lie. Why I see you, why I see you.
Have to fix the view, you know?
No, the view can look dark though. You see when you turn it over here, so come look how the color go over there, so.
Right.
You don't know, it's like I turn it here and it get dark.
I show all the people them in the place.
So we are run Domino tournament of basketball over there. Next year we're gonna have soccer.
Yeah, to
Big
get dance.
things, bigger and better things. Block 13, 1 in 3, 3 in 1. Representing Father God. Straight. We don't play. Cataraqui Block 13, what to say? Call disciples and wanna hear, son. You bigger than any goddamn gun. Let me get some paper, bro. Yeah, so dog. You know, last down on that shit. I'm gonna pay you when I done my shit. Give me a break. You know we can't come while we make it. Give me a minute. You ready now?
Yeah, right now. Like we are 26 dudes. We have a school sound man heard it. We are like 85 but this is the post. Feel it up on him. We have to go. I try to come back to the man with the post back again. We have to split up on him.
Great art.
Get up.
That? When you want to do with that? Do it! Do it! When you want to do with that? Show me that fire! You ain't that stiff? Unes. Stop talking them right now. Them can't play them now. Them can't play them now. What's the play a place along and all the things? That's how we play now win 3. It's how we're going to play 3. We can't play no more games to play final. That's what this is. We see for the final against the next winner. What's up, man? Big one going up. Game can't play final. Blood clot going up. I feel like I need a seat. It's a 8 now. Right, Shabba. They've been 2-6 tomorrow, so they can't. Don't come more. So them are playing. I finally then trophy I push you yourself. Man, we have and them have 2 and a half. In 6 then supposed to come somebody away. Yo, you lose it? You lose it? You lose it? That's why you're not playing them. Because we need them to lose one. So if we can make them lose, everybody will play in the reason. Alright, alright, team discipline. Give me a second. Get up. If you win, get up. No Giggles, no matter where the losing thing, you know. Giggles, show your face better and talk something for the annual day, cause you know, if I know you, nothing no go on. Suit off a Black 13 annual day. Enough to say. I know where I deal with. We know he's a busy man. I have to talk with food in my belly. No. When me we don't want to catch it for. When you not gonna catch it. You can't catch it better than me. House. I'm to dread. Which day, Junior? Yeah. Hold on, let's go.